Okay. So now I'll share my screen again. Okay. So to remove all the timestamps in the file, you will go to File. You will click on this Check for Issues and Inspect Document. Okay. You will have to ensure all these checkboxes are ticked. Nothing should be unchecked. And you will click on Inspect. So when you click on Inspect, you get this Document Properties and Personal Information. So for this option, you will click on Remove All. Once it shows that everything has been removed, you will click on Re-inspect and again inspect. So now see, after re-inspecting, you did not get that prompt that there is more personal information that is present. So just for hygiene, then just do it a couple of times just to see if it's all gone. So it's all gone. Then you click on close. Now when you see, there is no time that pops up here. Okay. See, no. So
It's still
you,
showing yesterday, no?
wait. So after you click on close, you have to save the document. If you do not save, the changes will not reflect. See, it's gone. Now you do not see the date or the day on which the comment was added. Same goes for your edits. So saving the file after you do that entire process is necessary for it to work. Unless you do not save, the timestamps will still appear. And then just do a quick hygiene check by clicking on all the comments and just random edits of the file to see that the timestamps are not appearing. Understood, everyone? People, unmute and speak, please.
Yes. So are we supposed to follow this only for Louis JBCs?
Yes, for Louis JBCs only specifically. But this has to be done for each and every Louis JBC assignment that you work on without fail. Like this will be your last step before you upload the file on software. So after you're done with your editing, incorporating freelancer, audit changes, your audit changes, everything. After you do this process, do not add any new comment, any new text. If you do, then you will have to do this process again, save and then upload. Any questions, people?
Yeah, we are still not doing the compare merge, right?
Correct. No compare merge.
I have one question, which is about what if there are, I mean, usually there are no author tracked files, but there are comments sometimes, like author comments in the initial file. If we do this, even that will become author. Chalega.
That will become author.
Yeah, all the comments, if the comments are like, if the comments are editor or some other name or something, even that will become author by this. This is the same thing as the trust center thing, right? So, what do we do
But
there?
our remark will have the remark written in it, right? So that would be the point of differentiation for the client, that this is something that we've added, and whichever comment does not have the word remark in it, that is something that they have added. So I think it should be fine. Cool. Any other questions? Okay, so any Louis JBC files you have from today onwards, this is a mandatory step. For a couple of days, we will be including Louis JBCs for skims. So like Rachel pings on the channel about the CC files which get skimmed before delivery, we will be doing the same thing for Louis JBCs to begin with, because the client is very irritated with everything that has happened, and we need to ensure that they are not inconvenienced anymore because of this. Okay. Stop recording.